Multiply has been developed by government to support individuals within the Greater London area who need support in maths. And that can range from supporting their children, it can be for ESOL students, and it can be for people who are employed that want to upskill in their job and need a qualification. There's also opportunity to do courses for managing your own money and also budgeting, and that includes individuals in the community. For example, that may be homeless, that may have additional needs.
As multiply teacher, my basic job is to develop their confidence first in math, because they are having the math anxiety. Most of the students have the math anxiety, and my job is to ease them up and develop their confidence in math. And my job is, some of the students, it's depend on the student to student what they want to learn. Some of the students want to learn about the fraction, some of them want to learn about the percentage, or some of them just want to develop their numeracy skills.
In my previous work, I have to do some math exam. While I was doing this exam, I found that the questions are not so difficult. I made them good. I answer good, and then I had an idea that I can study math for myself, as I wasn't good in math when I was at school. So I went to college website online and I applied online for course.
Probably the most exciting part of the job is seeing some of the multiply students now going on and have secured full-time work.
My job is to work with the community diagnostic centres opening across North West London in Ealing, Wembley and Willesden, to staff those centres now and look at pipelines for the future of where we will get our staff from and how we can train up enough staff from our local community. And I'm working with Multiply to find those people who might wish to have a healthcare career in the future, and look at how we can develop them into our healthcare workers.
I improved my math a lot, and I found that I'm good in math. Soon I will do my level 2 exam, which I am kind of a little bit of stress, but I'm also very happy.
The benefit of working with the college, with these students, is that we get to see where the gaps are, what we're not doing effectively to recruit local people and help us build those programmes. We've also met some great students and we're already pursuing healthcare careers for them.
To achieve those stepping stones is they have needed to improve their maths, they've needed to improve their belief in themselves, but also employers have needed to be slightly more flexible in their recruitment processes to enable some of our multiply students to work for them.
I work for college. I work like learning support assistant with students with disabilities.
I'm working with disabled people. They have learning disabilities, and I'm doing with budget. I was there to teach them budgeting, but with very few first 2 lessons, I came to know even they need to recognize their money. They need to recognize their notes first, and then after that they can do some calculations or those kind of things.
Our future plans for this partnership are to build those networks across North West London to make sure that anybody can apply for a job across our health services, start from whichever level they're ready to start at, and make sure we're really inclusive. We have plans to work initially with our community diagnostic centres as part of a pilot project for London, but eventually that will roll across all of our hospitals.
My little son, he started just school this year, reception. So I'm really happy that in future, when he needs any help with math, I will be able to help him.